While editing, I realized how boring and flat this edit looked.
Bad, 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 bad boy. Et toutes tes copines sont des bad, bad girls. On s'en fout du risque, on n'a pas de bol. Et on n'a pas de bol. Et t'es
Good thing my grandma taught me these tricks. Okay, in the first clip, I select speed, then select curve, and I adjust the curve like this. Then in this first clip, I adjusted the duration to 1.2. After that, in clips 2, 3, and 4, do the same thing as in clip 1. Then go back to the first clip, and I select speed, then select curve, and select slow-mo speed, and select better quality. In clips 2, 3, and 4, do the same thing as the first clip. After that, at the beginning of the clip, I inserted a slow zoom video effect, and I gave an object to all the videos, and I adjusted the duration of the effect until the end of the video. After that, in the effect, I put the first keyframe point under the second yellow bit point. Then skip one yellow bit point and add a keyframe point in front of it like this. Do it like that until the end of the effect. After that, at the second keyframe point, I adjusted the range to 30, and at the fourth keyframe point, I also adjusted the range to 30. Then at the next keyframe point, do the same thing as before. After that, at the keyframe point, I gave a cubic ease graph. And at this keyframe point, I give a cubic graph in. After that, at the next keyframe point, do the same thing as before. After that, I went back to the beginning, and in the first clip, I gave a slide left transition. And in the second clip, I gave an animation of entering ripple. In the third clip, I gave a bounce distort transition and animation to enter ripple. And in the next clip, do the same thing as in the previous clip. After that, I went back to the beginning, and I added the flash effect, and I added an object to all the videos, and I adjusted the length of the effect from the first to the fifth bit point. Then in the effect, I adjusted the speed to 22 and glow to 30, the others to 0. After that, I copied the effect and put it next to it until the end of the video. After that, I went back to the beginning, and in the first clip, I gave an animation of entering paddling. And let's see the results. Thank you for watching.
bad, 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 bad boy. Et toutes tes copines sont des bad, bad